Good morning, dear student. Now, let us begin our new exercise 6.3. This exercise is based on exterior angle. So, what is exterior angle? First, you have to learn it. Suppose if you are making a triangle here, okay, if one side you can extend from any three side of them, three of side of them में अगर तुमने किसी भी एक side को extend किया, suppose I am extending this one line. So, outside of this angle, that is called the exterior. So this is the exterior angle. Okay, so understand any side in this triangle, if it is a extend, then making a exterior angle. A, B, C, you can give the name. How to write the name of exterior angle? कैसे नेम लिखेंगे? This is a form on angle C. So ये एंगल किस किस एंगल लाइन के बीच में आ रहा है? एंगल ए एंड डी के बीच में. तो अपन कहाँ से लिखेंगे? फ्रॉम ए यू कैन से एंगल ए सी डी या यू कैन से एंगल डी सी ए. दोनों एंगल्स को अपने नेमिंग अपन लिख सकते हैं. क्लियर? हाउ व्हाट इज एक्सटीरियर एंगल एंड हाउ टू राइट ए एक्सटीरियर एंगल नेम. हियर इज अ वन प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एक्सटीरियर एंगल. व्हाट इज इट? Property of exterior angle, here what is it? Exterior angle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. Understand? No? So here you can see the picture and then after easily you can understand. This is the exterior angle. I am giving the name of angle 3 and just opposite this exterior angle. What is the opposite angle? These are the opposite angles. Here I am giving the name 1 and here I am giving this angle number 2. So what is it exterior angle? Sum of its interior opposite angle. Now you can understand angle 3 will be equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Understand? Now is it clear? What is the exterior angle property? Sum of its interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. This is the property of exterior angle. Clear? Next, what is the question? Now look our exercise. Name the exterior angle in the triangle given below. So we have to write the exterior angle. So where is it exterior angle? This line will be extend. So here is your exterior angle. Okay. If you can see here is exterior angle, so write the name. What is it? DCA you can say. Here you can say ACD. This is the exterior angle. Here, if you can see, two exterior angles are there. One here and second is here. So the name, what is it? You can write it from here. EBA angle. You have to mention the angle symbol always whenever you are writing the angle name. EBA. Next angle will be is your ACD. Okay. Third, this is a homework. You have to find what is the exterior angle. 1, 2 and 3. Here I am giving to hint. 3 exterior angles are there. So you have to write the name according to this 3 exterior angle. Okay. Next question. Find the value is unknown exterior angle x in the following figure. Now we are using exterior angle property. So what is it? क्या थी वो? Exterior angle property. It means opposite interior sum of its interior angles. So, okay, opposite interior angles. So we have to add them. X is equal to 40 plus 80 degree. It means x is equal to 120 degree. Understand? Same as we have to do here also. This is the exterior angle. What is opposite? This one side is opposite and this angles will be opposite of this exterior angle. So add them. Here is the x is equal to 90 degree plus 50 degree. So add them, then you will get here the 140 degree. Do this C and D also, same as the process. Now in question number 3, using same as our exterior angle property, what is it? 45 degree plus x is equal to 110 degree. Now you have to transpose here 110 and minus 45 degree. Then you will get here the x value. 10 minus 5, 5. Here is also 10, 10 minus 4, 6. So understand now how can you do this type of the questions using our exterior angle property. And what is it? क्या थी exterior? क्या थी अवर अपनी एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी? एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ इट इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल, ये जो है इसके सम के इक्वल होता है. Now you have to do this remaining questions easily. You can do, no problem you are facing in this one questions. Now question number 4, how can you do it? We are finding y value, तो y के लिए क्या निकालेंगे अपन, किसको ऐड करना पड़ेगा, 50 प्लस 60. एंड फॉर फाइंडिंग x वैल्यू, x के लिए इसके अपोजिट एंगल 70 प्लस 60. और फाइंडिंग दिस z वैल्यू, z के लिए जिसके अपोजिट 70 प्लस 50. So easily you can do this question number 4 also. Now question number 5, check which one is the correct. So you have to add them. If it is coming equal to exterior angle, it means they are the correct figure. Okay, we are finding which one is the correct figure. So you have to add them and then easily you can find which one is the correct figure. Next question, question number 6. An exterior angle is 85 degree. One of its interior angle is 32 degree. Find the other interior opposite angle. So here I am giving two clue. Then easily you can do. Two exterior angle property. उसमें से एक दे रखा है, वो क्या है, 32 degree. And taking another one interior angle x, add them and then it should be equal to exterior angle. Now easily you can find the x value. Do this question, do this exercise in your copy. Which questions you have to do? This all questions you have to note down in your copy.